In this video, I'll show you how to send an invoice in Xero. First, open your web browser and sign into your Xero account. From the main dashboard, go to the business menu and select Invoices. Next, create a new invoice by clicking New Invoice, or open an existing approved invoice that you're ready to send to your customer. Now, review the invoice details carefully. Confirm the customer's email address, invoice date, due date, products or services, pricing, taxes, and total amount to make sure everything is accurate. After that, if the invoice is still in draft mode, click Approve or Approve an email. If the invoice has already been approved, click Email to prepare it for delivery. Next, customize the email if needed. Add a personal message, review the subject line, and make sure the invoice is attached or linked correctly. Then click Send to email the invoice directly from Xero. Finally, return to the Invoices section to track the invoice status. You can see when it has been sent, monitor outstanding payments, send reminders, and record payments once your customer has paid. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send an invoice in Xero. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.